Here is our room, 6393. We have a balcony room on the upper deck.
The upper deck.
They have the screens with your name on it. That's where you can watch TV. Yeah, and you and your crew, so I think you can do your account balance and all that on there too. They have plenty of shelf space. Look, right here and right here. 3 drawers. Pretty big inside too. Plenty of room. See. And it comes with some hangers. You can always ask for more too. And the refrigerator's in the closet. But we still got more shelf space up there. And then there's another closet. This is where I put my stuff. It goes all the way down. And that's where your mirror is too. And then this one, that's where your safe is. And then it has like 1, 2, 3 shelves, and then another shelf at the bottom. That's where the life jackets are. Woohoo! So it's a typical Carnival bathroom. Pretty standard. Got your 1, 2 shelves right there, and 1, 2 shelves right there. Hello. Sink. The water is hot. The water gets hot, so no worries there. And then, yeah, not too bad. Hooks as well. We got like 1, 2 hooks. And then there was even another hook right here. That's how you control the AC. I like it hot, but it doesn't say he is hot, so we'll turn it down for now. Yep, you still got your couch. And your bed. We have ours put together. And then, of course, our balcony. Two chairs and a table. And a great view.